Good afternoon. Thank you for choosing Harrisburg Christian Airlines. Before we take off, we will be reviewing some safety procedures.
In case of an emergency, please follow the exit lanes to the nearest exit.
If the plane loses cabin pressure, oxygen masks will appear from overhead compartments. Place the oxygen mask on the front of your face as demonstrated. For the mask to work properly, you must breathe normally. In case of an emergency aquatic landing, the seat cushions, located there, will double as a flotation device. Hold on to the flotation device by slipping your arms through the straps. And if this happens, just hold on to your flotation device in the water and stay with the captain and the rest of the airplane passengers.
Please assume brace positions in case of an emergency landing. Brace position 1. If you are in the front row, place your hands over your head and put your head in your knees. If you have a seat in front of you, put your hands on the seat in front of you and put your head over top of your arms. Yes. Thank you for choosing Harrisburg Christian Airlines. Please enjoy your flight.